In today's video, we'll see the recipe of an egg curry for beginners. It is a very easy egg curry. You can quickly make this with very minimal ingredients. To begin with, I'm gonna boil the eggs. I have taken 4 eggs for this recipe. So place the eggs in a saucepan and pour water. The eggs must be completely immersed in the water. I'm gonna add some salt. The salt will prevent the eggs from cracking while boiling. So I have set the flame on medium and I'm gonna boil the eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. You then turn off the flame and set it aside. To prepare the egg curry, pour some oil into a pan. Once the oil turns hot, add in some mustard seeds and wait until they splutter. I'm also gonna add some fresh curry leaves. Fry this for a few seconds and then we will add in sliced onions. Slice the onions as thin as possible so that it gets cooked real quick. I will also add in some salt, which will further aid in cooking these onions. Now we will saute these onions on a medium flame. I will also add in some green chilies. Saute the onions until they turn golden brown. At this stage, we will add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, some coriander powder, and some fennel powder. We will now saute this until the raw smell from the powders are gone. If you want, you can also add in some chicken masala if you have it. Next, we will add in some sliced tomatoes. Saute this well until it gets incorporated with the onions. Now cover with a lid and cook until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Pour in some hot water to this and give it a good mix. We will again cover it and cook for 2 more minutes. The gravy is now ready. We will have to add the eggs to it. So I'm going to quickly peel off the shell of the boiled eggs. If you add some ice cubes to the water, you can peel the eggs quickly. I'm gonna cut the eggs into 2 halves and then put it in the gravy. And also add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'm gonna gently mix it up so that the eggs get coated with the gravy. Cook this for 2 more minutes and your egg curry is ready to be served. This egg curry goes extremely well with rice, roti, chapatti, appam, idiyappam, etc. So give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe. And watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.